This video shows how I made a stand for my bandsaw. It's pretty simple with lots of storage, and the bandsaw rests quite neatly on it. The process was simple. I had MDF shelf from an old unit to which I attached 1 foot long 2 by 4 with glues and screws, one on the top, one on the bottom, and then another one perpendicular to it for reinforcements. It wouldn't twist. Finally added two more on towards the front edges. Once these were in place, I added the other kind of panel on the right. And again, this was an MDF panel which was recycled from some old entertainment units. I added a top panel, everything with glue and screws, and finally a thin plywood panel on the back to close the cabinet down and to add reinforcement. This picture, the cabinet is upside down, the bottom is on the top. I had added the drawer slides before and then added some nice wood edging to the panel. This image, you can see steel pins on which the cabinet will rest, and here it is flipped right side up, and a plywood back panel, which was against glue and thin kind of nails and glue. I made drawers in a similar ways, just kind of boxes with butt joints, and then I had hardboard bottoms, and the false fronts for the drawers were made from a similar cabinet. Here you can see its finish. The bandsaw is on top of it, resting pretty neatly. The drawers are quite useful. The small ones to hold, the junk that you cannot gather there. So I liked it quite a bit, so I decided to duplicate it and make another one for my drill press, which you see on the right. By the way, the large bandsaw in the middle is a work in progress. Hopefully, I'll have a video on this pretty soon. Thanks for watching.